So this is how this thing works, and you can see the person who is calling you here. Hope you are seeing. So let me receive, and you see how it works. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Any reception?
This is the reception.
So done.
Okay. Yeah, that's how we do it. So we have already tested them all, so everything is okay. This is the reception. Look at how it looks. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, for lights. Look at how it's this area so special with the reception. Oh. So let me just go and show you. So this is how this house look like, and this one is a two-bedroom house. It is a two-bedroom house, very spacious, as you can see.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's again your boy here, Calvo001 here, guys. So today is another day, another time that God has given us to bring for you another vlog. We are here in Diani, guys. As usual, we are just winding up in this site here. We are just winding up in this our site. As you can see, everything is okay. You see how compound this area look like. Look at it, guys. So amazing here at Marani Diani. I came here yesterday, and until now I'm still here, just doing the finalize of what we were doing. We were installing networking, of which I actually was trying to label these ones. I've already labeled all of them. I do the cable management. I'm just going to show you down there. So this is how this house look like, and this one is a two-bedroom house. It is a two-bedroom house, very spacious, as you can see. Everything is well furnished over here, as you can see. This is a refrigerator here. It is a double door, as you can see. It is a double door over here. That one is like closed, so you see it's a double door over there. And also we have a microwave. I don't know, I think it is a microwave. We have a microwave here. It is well mounted on the wall, and this one will be, yeah, this one is a the microwave will be here, and this is a oven. This is an oven for baking cakes, I mean. And also this is a kitchen, open air kitchen, as you can see. Very well furnished. Look at this, everything is fine. Look at it, so amazing, guys. You see, there is water already. There is water, and it is a double sink. It is a double sink, guys. So here is, there is the drawers will be here. There is drawers will be here. This is how these people do the installation. You see, this is a gas pipe. That is a gas pipe. So this is a cooking area. This is a cooking area, as you can see. And I told you this is an open area, and we have a store. This is a small store over here. You can just pack everything over here, the food stuffs. Yes, and This is a kitchen. Look at how it's look like, so amazing. And also this is an open area for the laundry. This is the laundry area. You can even see the washing machine is already there. The brand is LG. Amazing. And also there's a sink, also outside sink. So here you can do your socks. You can wash your plates over here if you don't want to wash them inside. It is an open area with a very amazing decoration. You see, the house is so looking amazing, guys. I really love this house. And this is a 2-bedroom. Look at the kitchen. The only thing I love most in this apartment, the way these people are decorating, the way they are making an open kitchen. And this is the first bedroom, which I was telling you. Look at it, guys. So amazing. Look at this room. This is a bedroom. This is the first room. This is a bedroom over here, and also it has an open wide window. Is it a window? Not a window. It is just a door. Yeah, it is a door, a glass door. Let me just stand somewhere here so that I can give you the view. You see, it is an open door, and also it has a latrine, cool latrine over here. So amazing. It has a latrine over here, and also there is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. So amazing. Everything is so nice over here. I like the finish. So this is amazing area, guys. So let's go to another room. I love the bed, how bed it is. I really love this mattress. Silent Night. It's called the Silent Night. So it's amazing. And look at those chairs. Look at these chairs, guys. Wow. They're really looking nice. Look at those chairs, guys. Wow. Very nice chairs. So this is where we were working, and now they're just trying to bring the furnitures inside. And also there is, you see, this also another not washroom. This is a restroom. This is another restroom over here for the, how do you call, for the sitting area. And this is also another bedroom here. This is also another bedroom. You see, this is another bedroom, but it's still in a mess up because they just brought this thing, but not yet they actually put them in they arrange in order. They have not arranged them in order. I like this one. Look at that chair, guys. Wow, so amazing. Wow. The chair is so amazing. I love it. So this is also another room. This is another room here, guys, as you can see. And also it has a washroom. And everything is okay. The water also is there. The water is already there, guys. So amazing. I like this also. I love this also. And so amazing. Everything is manual. This is a washroom, as you can see. Shower. That's a shower. If you try this, you will see fire. I love this. So everything is okay over here. Me, I've already done with my work, so I was just doing these ones here. Those are data points for the Wi-Fi, internet, I mean. Excuse me. For the internet. Yeah, that's how things looks like. Everything's okay. And we have an open doors here, and we have a veranda, outside veranda. You know, guys, what I'm trying to do is just I'm trying to steal the design. I'm just trying to steal the design one time, because I'm building at home and I'm still have another dream. God willing, very soon I know God will granted we need another land somewhere and start another my dream house over there. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment on my YouTube channel. Just support me to 1,000 subscribers, guys. For now, that's what we were looking for. I don't take you for granted, guys, but I really love you people, because without you people we cannot succeed in this life. You know, life is just only, we have to help each other. It's when we can succeed. Without helping we cannot, because we are human beings. We are human beings. So guys, look at the house. So spacious, and these are the furniture which are they have already brought. So there is an intercom. I'm just trying to test. This is intercom, the thing that we have tested. Let me call we are just doing the settings of this intercom. These are the things that we were installing over here. Yes. Okay, let me go down so that you can see what's going on. Let me go down. So this is how they do the gardening, you see. So amazing. Look at the garden, guys. Look at the area. So this is the reception. This is the reception area. Yes. So exactly this is the reception area. And we're just doing the camera. These are the camera which I installed over here. That's the camera. Look at that. There's some outside. Let me just go and show you. We have another one here. And we have intercom here. Yes. That's now. It's a real flower, guys. It's a real flower. It's not a duplicate. It's not a duplicate. So let me take you on this side. I show you some other work at the area. Unlike, look at the garden. Yes. Sawa. Yes, I'm back at this place, so I just need to let's continue with what you are doing.
Connection exception. Please try later.
Okay, one is failed.
Hello?
Hello. One failed. Let me go to 2. Alright. The 2 is ringing. So what we are trying to do is to configure this for each and every room. So this is a security room whereby when somebody reach and want to talk to someone in each and every room, this is is called an intercom.
Please try
Intercom,
later.
you can communicate with anybody.
Connection exception. Please
Number
try
1
later.
failed. Hello?
Number 2 ringing.
Cancel the call.
Hello?
Cancel the call.
Hello? Yeah, number 1 failed.
Connection exception.
Failed.
Please try later. Connection exception. Please try later. Connection exception. Please try later. Connection exception. Please try later.
Hujadial number 11. Oh.
Failed. Number 11 failed.
Connection exception.
Number 12
Please try
failed.
later. Connection
Number 13
exception.
here failed.
Please try later. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
as
you.
I told you before, guys, that's what we were just trying to
Thank
do
you.
over here. We were trying to configure these things, this intercom.
Thank you.
This is the IP intercom, guys.
Thank
It
you.
is working within the network, so you have to link with the Wi-Fi, and this is a point. This is an outdoor. This is an outdoor
you.
intercom, whereby it will be here,
Thank you.
because here is the main
Thank
gate,
you.
where each and every visitor must come and
Thank you.
maybe report, or he can request
Thank
the
you.
person he needs, because this is an
Thank you.
Airbnb. It is an Airbnb, as you can see, and if you need
Thank
to talk
you.
with each and every person in each room, you can just come here. The security will just
Thank
contact
you.
the guy, and maybe if
Thank you.
you are having an appointment, you
Thank
just
you.
come. He will let
Thank
you
you.
know, and he will maybe he will communicate with the person you need over there, so that he can give
Thank
him
you.
or her the permission just to you to enter.
Thank you.
So that's what we are just doing
Thank
over
you.
here. So this thing you have to configure each and every
Thank
room.
you.
So because this is a one point which will
Thank
work
you.
in each and every room of this apartment.
you.
It's almost like they're almost like have
Thank
like
you.
they're 16. They're 16, so we have to configure them.
Thank
So
you.
that's what we were trying to configure out,
Thank
so
you.
that everything work
Thank
perfect.
you.
So here we did so many
Thank
things
you.
over here. The only thing that we didn't do is just
Thank
only to
you.
put an electric fence, because the owner,
Thank you.
he doesn't need an electric
Thank
fence.
you.
He needs something called laser
Thank you.
laser electric fence, but
Thank
with us
you.
we don't have it. So
Thank
maybe
you.
if he purchase, we can just install for him.
Thank you.
Yes. So
Thank
what
you.
we did at this place, we did networking,
Thank you.
CCTV camera.
Thank you.
We purchase, and we bring, and we install,
you.
and also we do I said networking, CCTV camera, intercom, and biometric access control. When you reach, if you are a
Thank
worker,
you.
I think you have already seen this thing in maybe big companies, or maybe in office. People, you have to log in and log out. So those ones also you are doing. So mostly what I'm dealing with, guys, maybe there is someone who just wanted to promote me on whatever I'm doing. I'm doing intercom, networking, CCTV installation, and I can even bring for you, and also electric fence. Those are the things that I'm specialized. Huh? What I mean? I'm specialist. I'm specialist in those gadgets installation, and also I can purchase to you.
Thank you.
So those are what I'm dealing with, and also
Thank you.
there's all of them. They are
Thank
just
you.
a security system. It is just a security system, guys.
Thank you.
So any person who is willing to give me work, I'm here,
Thank you.
and I'm based in Mombasa, but I'm traveling everywhere within the country, or maybe within the
Thank you.
East Africa for now, because I've already have my passport. Yes, I've already have my
Thank
passport.
you.
So if you need it, if you need
Thank you.
the installation, the purchase of the cameras,
Thank you.
the agreement, if you have already agreed,
Thank
I can
you.
just come at your place, do for you installation. You can just go and check for my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel called Calvo001, where I'm just educating the youths, the young people,
Thank you.
because even me, these things I just learn them through YouTube. Most of them I just learned through YouTube, because what I did is I did electrical. I'm a technician. I'm electrical technician, guys, and but just because of things are running so fast, people are learning, so many things are coming, so you know we keep on learning each and every day. So when there is something new in the market, me, I always, like now I just want to go and maybe, God willing, I just want to go to learn how to install security system. How do we call it?
Thank you.
There is a system which is out. like alarm system, but I know a little bit, not so
Thank
much
you.
in it, not so much in alarm system, but I just want to go
Thank
and
you.
do it. I just want to go and do it
Thank
so
you.
that I can do that also. But
Thank you.
each and every time when things
you.
came into market, honestly, we have to
Thank
we
you.
have to we have to do it. We have to do it.
Thank
We have to
you.
struggle for it because the world is changing. So
Thank you.
this is what we are doing right now.
Thank you.
Do the configuration.
Sionekani?
Huh?
Sionekani?
Unaonekana?
Authenticating failed. Thank you.
Hiyo unadu?
Huh?
Hiyo unadu? Acha. By the way, hebu ni connect kwa hii system.
Okay.
Ndio niko naenda
You just
kufungua.
stop.
Stop?
Say everything you need to say concerning your site.
What should I say?
Yeah. Anything concerning your site.
Anything.
So far, whatever you are doing, what you are dealing with, maybe you can just get a customer through. I'm giving this guy a free opportunity, guys, and he is misusing this free opportunity.
What opportunity do you want to give me? Do you have something?
There is so many people
Do
watching
you have
you right
something
now.
that you want to construct?
I'm telling you, there is so many people watching you right now.
From where?
So maybe you can join.
All over the world.
Yes,
Hi guys.
yes. Say hi to these
Okay.
guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
sawa.
yes.
Unipatie recording sawa?
Thank you.
Yes, my good people, we are still configure these our gadgets which we are installed over here. As you can see, we just wanted to test this one if it is working. So I'm just waiting on the other side. They alert me so that I can ring each and every room at this place. So stay tuned and watch our video until the end. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You want to talk? Say something. How is the work? How is the work? Is everything okay? Are you happy?
Thank
You
you.
are dull. You are dull. You are very dull.
Thank you.
Yeah. So the place is called Maharani. Maharani by Almanara. This is the Diani area. This is the main road, Diani Road. And this is the parking area. This is the entrance, guys. This is the entrance. You just come like this, like this. We were installing these things, this CCTV. We are putting the cameras. This is the outside camera, you see. This is the outside camera. Maharani. Welcome to Maharani, Diani. This is the main gate, main entrance. let me take you to gym area. Let me take you to gym area. Here there is so many things is happening here at this Airbnb. We are just going up. We are just going up to show you the gym area. Let me show you the gym area. Yes, welcome to the gym area. This is the gym area, guys. As you can see, it is well varnished. So nice. You can just come up at this place, you warm up. So these are the selling Wi-Fi which we are actually put. You see, it is already working. The brand stream, that's the brand. So I'll just finalize everything to remove these things. Everything start working. Like you see, this was the how do we call it? These are networking. This is data point. I mean, that is data point over there. I put those ones. I installed those ones, and also there is another one here. So maybe you have a gadget that doesn't use wireless Wi-Fi. You can just use a patch cord that is an internet cable. You just plug them over there and you just sit here, you do your things. But mostly the activity which is happening at this place, it is a gym area. You can just come and do the exercise, and from there you see down there there is a swimming pool. You just go and swim over there, and also there is a jacuzzi. There is a jacuzzi at that side. They will be having drinks over there. Any type of drinks will be here. So if you come to Marani, that's Diani, guys. Marani Diani is well varnished. Everything is there. You can even see it is just a main road. It is just a main road from Carrefour to, how do we call it? Carrefour, that's just a junction over there from Ukunda stage to Carrefour. That junction, you turn right. As you go to Diani, place maybe you are going to the big hotels over there. The Almanara is just in the along the road, just along the road to Diani. As you can see, it is written Almanara by Maharani by Almanara. So this is how the apartments look like. This is how this house look like. As you can see, it has a swimming pool, very varnished. Everything is there, guys. It is an Airbnb here in Diani. So guys, you're most welcome. We were actually finalized everything. We have to make sure now everything is working perfect, and also we put anything. There is something I just need to go and show you how we were doing, how we did the cable management to our cabinet. That's more important, very important for someone who is actually doing the networking. You have to make sure that your work is neat, so that if you come, or maybe if you come back again for doing the maintenance, you don't get difficult work while you are doing your maintenance. That's the reason why it is advisable just to do a neat work. Maybe someone can recommend you somewhere. Sorry, your client maybe can recommend you to another person. That's the reason why you can even see this guy, this contractor. This guy has a lot of clients. here in Diani, because it's doing a network. You can even see. So this the issue of electricity is being done by the Meta. Meta is a big company here in Mombasa, not in Mombasa, along the East Africa. They're doing amazing. Look at how they put their lights. So this is a light. I put the light on now, as you can see. It is a warm. These are warm lights. These are warm lights. And also we have a AC. We have AC. I don't know which company actually installed the AC. We have the AC with us here. As you can see, there is a AC, but I don't have a remote. I could have put it on. So everything is okay, everything is well furnished, everything. What I can just tell you is that they have done a very, very amazing work. Most of those people who build this apartment, I really love the decoration. You can even see those pillars. They are really, really looking nice, and also inside also is looking okay. Very cool and very nice. I really like it. And you see how they make, look at that, look at the swimming pool. So amazing, guys. I really love this. I really love that swimming pool. So today I'm just giving you the final tutorial, final vlog of this apartment, because we actually already wind up, and we just want just a few days from today, like 2 to 3 days, we were just going to hand over this apartment to the owner, because we've been here like 3 years. We've been here for like 2 to 3 years, maybe 2.5 years, building this big apartment. But concerning our side, we were just installing the security things and the networking. Those are the things that we were doing over here. So we have already finished. The only thing which is remaining is just only to hand over to the owner now, because everything is well. The work is well done, as you can see, guys. So let me take you to my cabinet. I show you how we did the cabinet over there, how we did our installation. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes, let me take you to that place. So, and we have another camera here at the corner. I don't know whether you can see it. There is a camera here. You see this camera? This is a camera which is facing. Look at how we did it. Look at how we did that. There is nothing like cable you are seeing outside. So that one will face that parking area. It will face that parking area and also the road. So let me take you to our cabinet. Let me take you to our cabinets. This is the jacuzzi. Fundi. Agoi picha. So this is our cabinet. This is how everything now is looking like. As you can see, actually the only thing which is remaining just to wipe this desk out of it, and this is how we do our cabling. You see, everything is working. You see, the network is there, and also we have already labeled everything like any cable. Every cable we have already labels, and we do our nice cabling over there. So let me take you to another one. Yes, let me take you to another one. And also let me show you something over here, the ceiling Wi-Fi. So now, like I told you, we were winding up everything. You see, this is a Wi-Fi, it is working now. This is a selling Wi-Fi, and we have also another one here. Yes, let's go to another one. Let's go to another cabinet so that I can take you to the main cabinet. You know, we have a main cabinet where everything is. So like I told you before, this is what we were doing. This is the networking, guys. This is our cabinet. This is the second cabinet. We have 3 cabinets over there, over this building here. So let me just go and show you another cabinet at the other side.